Hello there, in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Spectrum TV application on your Android TV without the Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV and want to install the Spectrum application without Google Play Store, here's exactly what you can do. On your Android TV, head over to your browser. Any browser is going to work as long as your TV is an Android TV. So just go over to your browser and search for the application. So I'm just going to go over here and type Spectrum TV, and here is it over here, and you click search. So as you type in, you're going to see results like this. So this is what we're looking for, the Spectrum TV app. As you can see, download the Spectrum TV and get the most out of your Spectrum TV. So now here's what you're going to do. Once you go over to an option like this, you're going to choose the first option, that is on the web version of Google Play. You can notice we are not using the Google Play app on Android TV, we are using our browser. So what you have to do is just to click over here, and then this is what you're going to get for the application. Now as you can see on my screen here, I have a problem. They say this item isn't available in your country. So the only reason I cannot install this application to my Android TV is because it is not available to my country. Now, if you live in a country where the application is available, what you're going to realize is that you're going to get the install button somewhere here. So what all you have to do is just to click on the button and install. So this only works if the application is available in your country. Unfortunately for me, it is not available for me in my country. But if you're watching this video from somewhere where the application is available, you can go ahead and install it with this method without any issues. Now, the only thing is that if you're living in a country where it's not available, you can bypass these methods with certain ways on the internet, which I wouldn't really recommend because I don't know. I don't want to talk much about that. But if you use options like using a VPN, they can bypass certain limitations like this. But that's just for those who use VPN. So you can install the application to your Android TV without any Play Store. So if for some reason that first option doesn't work, they can use the official website to download the app, or you can browse through to see if there are third-party sites where you can install the same application to your Android TV. But for what's what, the first option is already the best, so you can use it to install the application if it is available in your country. So if you find the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.